Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I just woke up. We're jumping to the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you where at open trades. Also, the tech stocks had a massive rally after Nvidia's announcement that they beat earnings expectations, even with these crazy valuations. Nvidia pumped about 9% yesterday, which pushed up the tech stocks a lot. Let's jump into the technicals. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, comment on every video, subscribe button down there, and make sure on every video, make noise for the algorithm. Comment, hit that thumbs up, and share this video with 3 of your friends to grow the channel in the community. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Market very green on tech stocks. The Nasdaq having that bounce, the fourth to fifth wave, as I've been saying for a while. Google up 2.7%, Meta 2.3%, TSM 2.1%, SUI up, FXS up a little bit, Nasdaq up 1.59%, and it's going for that final look. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy, and it's going for the fourth to fifth wave, exactly as I predicted. The final wave, the final leg, and it can actually end here because the fourth to fifth wave is usually smaller than the third to it's going to be much worse then. Should be something like this. The third to fifth wave, we're going to have a big double top on the tech stocks. I need to get out after this bounce, even at 14,300, better to get out. Then try and catch this smaller movement. I'm going to get out here at 14. I mean, we can chase this rally, but after this double top at 14,470 on the Nasdaq, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to add an alert. I teach you how to do all this in the crypto mastercourse. It's going to tell me and alert me on my phone when we get to this resistance point again. So that's on the tech stocks. Bitcoin 26,480 having a bounce back. We had that 1, 2, 3 Elliott wave count, 4, 5, and now we're in this ABC correction on the weekly. Stochastic oversold, but we are having a rally back from A to B. So I do think we can come up to 28,000, and then I think we'll get rejected, and then, but this is also a rising wedge. This one here, this here is a rising wedge. Usually they build pressure, and they break down. So just keep that in mind. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at the top, hasn't fired a buy yet. You get it in the crypto mastercourse, the indicator bot. It teaches you how to install it. So let's go closer. Daily, also oversold and bouncing back. Daily indicator bot fired a buy. Huge hammer candle. Look at that hammer on the daily. Interesting. Bounce back strongly, even making a high. My long would be more in the profits. I had kept it open yesterday. It would be in like 5k in the profit. Unfortunately, I closed on this drop, but I like to, everyone's always like, oh, why do you sell so quickly if there's a drop? Because I like to sell in case this drop was quite small and we had a big rebound quickly. But if it was a big drop and it continued to drop, I don't want to hold big positions, hundreds of thousands of dollars, while it erases like 10 or 30%. I'd rather get out in case of a drop is much more brutal than expected. I was expecting a bounce on A to B corrective wave, so I am expecting a little bit of a rally on the weekly. On the daily, it's also showing this. We're at the resistance line, so longing right now is kind of dangerous. We're back at this 1-year trend line that we broke down from. Let's go closer. 4-hourly overbought. It had a recovery. Volume came into support. But we're at that resistance line. We're at heavy resistance now. A to B correction is happening. So the best would be to short from this resistance, from the heavy resistance line at 28,000. I would go short on this resistance line. Stop loss just above and take profit on the drop, coming down to at least the A corrective wave, could be even lower, even possibly 16k. But there is a strong support, so I'd take profits there. So I would set up a short on Bitcoin from 28,463, stop loss 28,659, take profit 24,800. risk to reward 18 times, risking $195 to make $3,590 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $35,000 profits. 100x leverage, $350,000 profits. That's the short I would take on Bitcoin. On the 4-hourly, on the closer time frames, it's overbought, but it does look like a slight bottoming formation. So I would keep this trade. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, shorting this A to B corrective wave before the final C wave. And then I will hold the trade to see how it does at this support. So I'd take a short on Bitcoin on this corrective wave. So that's on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under this video, in the video description, so down below on your phone, 1, take the course, jamescryptoguru.com. You can get the Bitcoin indicator bot and set up the charts, learn how to trade. 2, trading on Bybit using this link. You get a $30,000 bonus when you use this link and meet their trading requirements. And 3, join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 traders of you and investors all together. Those are the links under the video. So in this account, I have 313,000. I'm still having a bounce back, almost back into 320 was my peak on this account at the short term. 131,000 USDT, $35,000 worth in Bitcoin, $28,000 worth of Uniswap. Uniswap not bouncing back enough yet, so I'm going to buy more. MCRT up 3%, $23,000, $22,000 worth of Doge up a little bit. FXS up a lot, 8% bounce on FXS, showing strength there. Well, FXS showing a lot of strength. I'm going to buy another $1,000 of FXS. I'm slowly just entering back into my positions and DCAing. I also have buy orders for Uniswap, Doge, BNB. I'm going to buy some more Uniswap, but I've got low orders in case it gets like we have a big drop. I'm going to buy $2,000 worth of Uniswap at the current price. So I bought some Uniswap, I bought some FXS, and I'll buy some Bitcoin going back to that $28,000 target. I have no trades. That's what I'm doing. Let's look at Ethereum now. And congratulations on the tech rally again, everyone. Huge gains. Similar position for Ethereum. Broke down, having a strong bounce on support. Now at resistance. Ethereum can play out in this rising triangle as well and then break down. But we could get a bounce here on Ethereum, but at resistance. If you haven't gone long, I would go long from this support on Ethereum. Stop loss just underneath that major area of support and take profit at the top of this channel. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. Risk to reward 11 times, 50% profit with no leverage, 500% with 10x, 5,000 with 100x. Opening at 1499, stop loss at 1435, take profit at 2258. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. In the next video, in about 12 hours, I'm going to do Bitcoin and the Nasdaq to see what's going to happen to tech stocks, and I'm going to let you know. Let me know in the comment section what you're doing in the markets, what your portfolio is, and if you're buying or selling here. And let me know any tickers you would want me to analyze. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, an amazing morning, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.